Let us solve this.
So we have y equals e raised to x squared times cosine 3x, and we are asked to find the derivative of this function. So notice that this is a product of exponential and trigonometric. So definitely we will be using the product rule. So if you have u and b are functions in terms of x, so the derivative of this is u times the derivative of b with respect to x plus b times the derivative of u with respect to x. Okay? So u is this exponential and b is the trigonometric. Now, the first derivative of this dy dx is equal to copy u e raised to x squared, then take the derivative of cosine 3x. Remember, the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. Now we have negative sine of 3x, then we need to take the derivative of this domain 3x, and that is 3, right? And then add, copy the v term, and then take the derivative of u, and that is e raised to x squared, and take the derivative of the exponent x squared, and that is 2x. Now we have negative 3 e raised to x squared sine 3x plus 2x e raised to x squared cosine 3x. And that is our answer. So that is what? Letter A. So the correct answer is letter A.